This video contains instructions on how to install RAM modules into a computer. RAM helps store data quickly and efficiently to soon be used by the CPU for processing. It is volatile memory, which means it will be deleted when the computer is powered off. To start off with installing the RAM, we need to power off the computer, unplug all peripherals, and the power cord. Then, we need to lay the case on its side, unscrew the case using a screwdriver, then put the screws in a cup or other storage device and open the case. Then we need to put in all the RAM modules. Make sure they are compatible with the motherboard and make sure they are the same type. After that, we need to close the side panel and screw it in tightly. Finally, we need to plug everything back in and turn the computer on in order to make sure everything works.